October, happy fall, and happy monthly release video day. I'm Danny from Splash's education team, back to tell you about our October 2020 release. So stick around, because it's time to trick or treat yourself with some of our biggest releases yet. This month is all about running best-in-class virtual events, from taking advantage of our new brand library, or to staying in the flow with our new in-product resource center. There's a lot to get to, and I don't want to leave anything out. So let's get started.
Hi, I'm John Saft, Senior Product Manager, and I am very excited to introduce you to the latest addition to our design tools, the brand library.
The ability to upload colors, fonts, and logos at an organization level and have them populate into an array of themes is something that our customers have needed for quite a long time, and some of them have even requested.
With your branding in place, your hosts are free to create beautiful events, and your designers don't have to worry about catching any more rogue color schemes out in the wild.
I really hope everybody enjoys it. I can't wait to see the amazing pages that are going to come out of this new capability, and good luck with your events.
Hi there, Zach from Splash here to tell you about event level integrations. A new feature I love because it gives non-technical users like me the ability to think and act like a marketing operations expert. Previously, when you create a new event in Splash, there wasn't an easy way to test if it was working without jumping between systems. With event level integrations, all you have to do is open up your new event settings, go to integrations, and you'll be able to see which integrations are activated, if they're properly connected, and view their important details. On top of that, you're able to turn off the integration for any single event without disturbing your global setup. Event level integrations are live for our integrations with Salesforce, Marketo, Zoom, and On24. Check them out, won't you?
Hello and welcome. This month we are pleased to announce our Zoom branded theme as part of our broader Splash and Zoom launch. With this theme, we are making it even easier to host virtual events on Splash, so the Zoom experience is branded, immersive, and looks and feels utterly seamless with your event program. This template contains everything you need to launch your Zoom event fast with ready-to-go touchpoints. Added bonus, out of the entire branded theme library, this is the only dark theme with a comprehensive array of block types, but with your assets applied, you can easily flip it to suit your branding. Just swap your colors and logos and you're set. The goal of this theme really is to enable you to create virtual event programs that scale so that you can focus on connecting with your guests.
What's up, y'all? Pete from Education here. You see this smile, right? And I know you're catching this subtle shimmy. Well, that means I'm excited. And you know why? This month, we're making it even easier for you to access the resources you need in Splash without ever having to leave the product to do so. Presenting the Resource Center, a home for in-product help, education, and content to keep you focused and level up your efficiency. The Resource Center houses a number of digestible delicacies. Click into the Help Center to search for answers you need fast. Check out Live Education to learn from an instructor in real time. On-Demand Learning is a library of online courses to enroll in and webinars to watch. What's New directs you to our monthly product release updates. And last but not least, our Community tab invites you to join fellow Splash users in the Splash Community Slack workspace and connect with your peers through upcoming user group sessions, or Splugs for short. Immediate help with the click of a button. See? You're smiling now too, aren't you? I knew it.
Hey everyone, my name is Sabrina and I'm a technical writer here at Splash. The release I'm most excited for this month is coming in hot. It's our newly redesigned Help Center.
If you're like me, you prefer to find answers to your product questions on your own and use that information to become the ultimate power user. Well, now we made that experience even easier with our new design. We brought our most popular categories to the forefront for easy navigation. Plus, we updated our search algorithm to make sure we're surfacing you exactly what you're looking for.
Can't wait for you guys to check it out.
Hey everyone, I'm Piper with Splash's product marketing team. Last week, we had a launch event for Splash plus Zoom. I'm really excited to fill you in. Our Director of Education gave a demo about new functionality to embed Zoom directly in Splash. This gives your guests totally branded experiences. It also gates your event so that you can collect valuable data for follow-up. In addition, Caitlin Teed, Shopify's experiential marketing manager, told us about how her team exceeded pre-COVID conversion rates using Splash and Zoom together. Pretty incredible stuff. Also at the event, some winners got free dinner on Splash, so bon appetit. In case you weren't able to make it, we recorded the event and we put it on our new solutions page. It has lots of other useful resources too. Check it out. We can't wait to see what you build with Splash and Zoom together.
And that's it for October. Wow, we already know you're gonna build some incredible virtual programs with Splash, and this new set of features is gonna help yours stand out. And you ought to know that next month, we got some more awesome features coming at you. So we'll see you then.